Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: file present, backup created, and Roman 6 available. Open the file with Roman 6 file name, then press I to insert. Once inserted, make the minimal corrective change to the data line. Explain briefly why that field matters. Use set number to orient yourself to line positions, and mark the line with MA to return quickly. Make sure to save a snapshot with W before heavy edits so you can revert. Once done with initial edits, focus on precise transformations. Use pattern-driven replacements like %s/old/new/g for global changes, or limit to lines with 10, 20s/reject/replacement/ when only a segment needs fixing. For multi-line alignment, enter visual mode with V, select the block, then indent or shift. You should frequently undo with U to test results, and redo with Ctrl-R to reapply. Explain to yourself why the rejects targets these fields to avoid. You finalize edits by validating changes. Run external checks using Python validator, Py or awk scripts to confirm data integrity. Once satisfied, save and exit with WQ or write a copy with WNew file when you want to preserve both versions. If something goes wrong, recover using vimr file name or locate the undo file if enabled. You can also reopen backups. One troubleshooting tip: if a global substitution wrecks data, immediately use U repeatedly to step back and inspect each reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.